Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Oppo off and removing the SIM. This prevents accidental inputs and protects data. Next, you inspect the lines closely to determine whether they're software artifacts or physical screen damage. This distinction guides every next step. While you examine, prepare tools: a microfiber cloth, 90% plus isopropyl alcohol, suction cup, and plastic opening picks. Once done, you'll attempt a soft reset and safe mode check to rule out software before touching the screen physically. You reboot into safe mode to see if third-party apps cause the lines. If they disappear, uninstall recent apps. If persistent, perform a soft reset and open the Oppo service menu to run the display test so you can map where lines appear. For superficial or pressure-related lines, clean the area with a microfiber and 90% alcohol. Then apply even, gentle pressure with a soft cloth to redistribute pixels. Do this sparingly, because excessive force can worsen hardware faults. You assess whether repair or replacement is needed. Blurred, colored, or persistent lines usually mean panel or digitizer failure, so you should contact Oppo Service or an authorized repair shop for an OEM replacement. If under warranty or insurance, submit a claim with diagnostic photos. Otherwise, get a professional diagnostic to confirm parts costs. Once a technician starts, make sure they back up data first. If lines worsen during DIY attempts, stop immediately and seek a pro to avoid irreparable damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.